Culinary medicine is a field that combines the science of medicine with the art of cooking.
This class is meant to teach future doctors how to make really delicious and healthy food for themselves and to teach their patients to do so as well.
Having this course where we're actually in the kitchen cooking, I think will both help us be able to explain it more clearly to patients and then hopefully also be able to work with patients to find what works best for them and their health.
So we cover varied topics such as high blood pressure, diabetes, weight management, cardiovascular disease.
Every class has a medical focus, a nutrition focus, and a culinary focus because we have an MD, an RD, and an executive chef that all teach the class together. We are really hoping to not just talk about nutrition, but talk about the practical skills they need to bring nutrition in a delicious package to their patients.
I really love that we get to cook together in this class and then also eat communally afterwards, and then we talk about the nutritional aspects of the food that we just made together. And I think in that way it's really bridging these medicinal properties, but it also has this cultural and social significance, and this class is bridging that all together to show really the power that food can have in people's lives.